We're with Andy Mackenzie from Seasons Cookery School. We're talking student survival recipes. Andy, tell us about one of the recipes on the student survival course.
Teaching students to cook is all about keeping it nice and simple. So little ingredients, but maximum flavour, which is what you want. And again, using local produce obviously is key to it, because local produce with great quality ingredients is going to make a great dish. So we take the Parsonage Farm chorizo, we take the skin off the chorizo, we chop it up nice and roughly into a really hot frying pan so we get it nice and crispy. The leaching out of the lovely orange oils that come naturally from it. We start to boil the spaghetti, which is probably going to take us 10 minutes or so to cook, but we let that simmer away, frying the chorizo nice and quickly. But in another bowl, we're going to put together some lovely egg yolks, some nice rich yellow egg yolks from Kingstonbourne Farm, which produce fantastic egg. We're going to mix that with some grated Liburn cheese to make a little paste with the egg yolk and the egg yolk and the cheese. When the crispy chorizo is coming together and the spaghetti is almost ready, we're just going to simply take a little bit of the liquid out of the pasta water, add it to the chorizo. We are simply going to let that all bubble away, which is almost going to make a natural sauce. The pasta is going to come out of the water. We lift it with just tongs. We don't drain it off because we're going to use some of that water to flavour our sauce with as well. So we drop the spaghetti into the chorizo and the bubbles of the oil. We then take it off the pan. We mix all that together. We bring that off the stove. We add the yolks and the cheese mixture to fold it nice and gently into the pasta and the chorizo, and this almost forms a lovely creamy mixture. We add a little bit more of the liquid if need be, but to finish it, just some lovely chopped parsley in a nice bowl with a nice twist on the pasta, nice bit more grated of the Liburn cheese, and you've got yourself a simple dish that takes minutes to cook but maximum flavour.